What's up YouTube, it's Robo13. Today I'm going to show you guys how to get the start menu right down here back on Windows 8. And as you guys can see right here, let me bring up the Windows 8 menu. If I just come up to here and go to the start, you guys can see I am running Windows 8 right here. This is the actual Windows 8 Metro UI type thing, but I also have the start menu down here, and this is a little icon that the makers of this program use, and I will show you guys that right now. Alright, so to get this little start menu down here, you just have to download one program. It's called Classic Shell. I'll have the link in the description. You guys can go download it. It is free. It's 100% free. There's no trial or anything like that. It runs great. I mean, it really just does bring back the start menu. It doesn't have that start menu icon. It has that little like shell icon type looking Windows 7 thing down there. But either way, if that bugs you a whole lot, you can still change the icon. But it does bring back the whole start menu. It lets you go to a computer. As you guys can see there, it also lets you go to all your other programs. It might be a little laggy right now because I am recording the screen. It works perfectly fine. There's no lagginess at all when I'm not recording anything. But so you can get to all your programs, all that kind of stuff. It has all your recent programs that you opened up. You can search for things, like say if you want to search for Minecraft, you just do the %appdata%. Click on enter, and it brings you right to the roaming file. You can go to your .minecraft right there. It's the exact same thing as a regular start menu in Windows 7. And right now, see how it was grayed out for a second there. Let me see if I can bring that back. See if I can get it to be grayed out again. My computer. Yeah, there we go. So you guys can see down there it's grayed out now. It doesn't do that when it's not recording. I don't really know why it's doing that right now. But that's just a little thing with that. All right, if you come down here and you right click on it, you're going to get to the settings. And now here you can change every single setting pretty much that comes with the Classic Shell application. You can go to Windows 8 settings, and here you can disable the active corners. Right now I have disabled the start screen, but if you wanted to have the start screen back, you can hit none and hit OK. And now if you go down to the bottom left, you guys can see that you can get the start menu back. So if I take my mouse, go back down to the bottom left of the screen, click on that, it'll bring me back to the Windows 8 start menu. I go back to my desktop, and then if I wanted to click on the start menu, I just have to click on that little circle. I disable it because sometimes I go too quickly to the start, like to the corner, and I accidentally click, and I don't want to go back to the Metro UI because I really don't like the screen. I don't really use it at all. As you guys can tell, I haven't organized it at all. I just don't like it. There's really no point for me to use it. So I disable it. I just go into settings, then go to Windows 8 settings and disable the start screen. You can disable every single thing, like all the start corners if you wanted to. Like see, if I disable the start screen, so see, now that I disabled it and I go down to the bottom left, it's not there anymore. But if I go up to the top right, this little menu is still here. And I like having this here just in case I do need to go back to the start menu for whatever reason, I can. But I like having this disabled down in the bottom left because now I don't click on it accidentally. And if I do need to search for something or something, I don't know, if I need to go back to the Windows 8 type thing, I can go to the top right and see it here. I can go to the settings and change the PC settings, all that kind of stuff. So that's just a really quick overview of this. It's called Classic Shell. You guys can go check it out. It's free. Again, you won't have any trial. It'll be free forever. You guys can get pretty much the Windows 7 start menu back. Let's see if there's any other cool settings in here that you can change. I know you can change the... yeah, right here, custom button. You can change the icon. If you really don't like the shell look down there, you can change it back to the Windows 7. I guess you can do some skins over here for the like look of the start menu, that kind of thing. Content menu, you can disable whatever you want. Like if I wanted to get rid of the programs and apps and all that kind of stuff, I can disable those. But really, it really is Windows 7 start menu. It's just back on Windows 8. I'm very glad somebody made this and made it free and not a trial. So go check it out. It's called Classic Shell. Once again, links in the description. If you guys like this video, please hit that like button down below. Helps me out a ton. It only takes you guys a second. If you want to see something else specifically with Windows 8, please let me know, and I will definitely do it. I want to start making more videos on Windows 8 or anything like that. If you guys want to see any type of more customization type stuff or how to get Windows 7 type stuff back onto Windows 8, just let me know. If you guys want to know how Windows 8 runs, it runs great actually. I actually like it better than Windows 7 just because it does run smoother in my opinion than Windows 7, but that's for a whole nother review. If you guys want to see that, just let me know. Once again, hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks guys.